Hey everyone, I'm Cassandra. I'm a writing coach at Prompt, and we're the world's leading provider of college essay coaching and feedback. You might have seen UC Berkeley's name in the news over the past few weeks and months, and today we're here to help you understand the situation, how it might affect you, and to help you present a more competitive UC application. So what's happening? UC Berkeley has been ordered to freeze their enrollment numbers at the level of the 2020-21 school year, which would leave them about 3,050 fewer seats for the fall of 2022. The university has been engaged in lawsuits with a Berkeley neighborhood group since 2018. In August of 2021, an Alameda County Superior Court judge ruled for the enrollment freeze. The university appealed the judgment in October of 2021, filed for an emergency stay in January of 2022, but the request was denied by an appellate court on February 10, 2022. The decision requires the university to freeze their enrollment at the 2020-21 number, 42,347 students. It's a decrease of about 3,050 seats for freshmen and transfer students, given that most of the graduate admissions offers have already been sent out. The university explained that the freeze would actually result in about 5,100 fewer admissions offers to accommodate the difference between the number of offers sent out and the number of students who actually enroll. So what is the reasoning behind this decision that could prevent thousands of qualified applicants from receiving acceptances? Save Berkeley's Neighborhoods, the Berkeley neighborhood group behind these lawsuits, claims that UC Berkeley's acceptance rates are causing housing problems in the community. The group accused UC Berkeley of failing to provide sufficient housing while continuing to enroll higher and higher numbers of students. This discrepancy has led students to seek off-campus housing, which has displaced low and middle-income residents from previously rent-controlled housing. Phil Bacovey, president of Save Berkeley's Neighborhoods, attributes a rise in homelessness to this trend as well. What's more, the group asserts that UC Berkeley failed to consider reducing enrollment to avoid adverse environmental impacts. So what does this mean for current applicants? As a result of the enrollment freeze, the current group of 150,000 applicants could face a decreased acceptance rate likely to exceed last year's already lower 14.1% that was due to the elimination of standardized testing requirements, which led to a record-breaking number of applications. Previous years saw acceptance rates around 17%. The university argues that the ruling disproportionately affects low-income and underrepresented students. For one, the decrease in tuition the university would receive could impact the availability of financial aid they can dole out. Also, the timing of the ruling could delay admissions decisions, which would give students less time to seek out financial assistance from other sources before the May 1st commitment deadline. In the long term, this decision and admissions trends across the UC system could have major impacts on the availability of university spots for qualified applicants. According to a study by the College Futures Foundation, the number of students who meet UC and California State University admissions requirements but can't enroll in a four-year university could nearly double, from about 73,000 students in 2018-19 to 144,000 by 2030. Take a breath and stick with us. We have some tips to help you understand what UC admissions readers are looking for and improve your chances of getting in. Number 1, look at the factors they consider. The University of California has published a list of 13 factors they consider when evaluating an applicant. That can give you a solid idea of where you stand and areas you might want to work on. Number 2, use your essays to boost your scores. One of the factors which relates most to your essays, or your personal insight questions, or PIQs as the University of California calls them, states that the University of California wants to see your special skills, talents, leadership, or any sparks that show your potential to contribute to the campus community. In other words, they're looking for indicators that you'll be successful in college and beyond. You can offer these by highlighting experiences that demonstrate the traits college admissions readers love to see: drive, intellectual curiosity, contribution, initiative, and diversity of experiences. Keep in mind that UC is test blind, so other factors like your essays, recommendations, and activities list assume more importance. And essays are one of the few admissions categories that are totally within your control. Not sure what to write about? We've got you covered. We have a free PIQ brainstorming tool in the Prompt dashboard that will help you come up with ideas specific to your UC applications. Just create a free account at prompt.com and head to Brainstorm Essay Ideas. We also have a comprehensive article linked below with tips for how to approach each of the PIQ prompts and 3 outline structures that lead to successful PIQ essays. UC admissions may be getting even more competitive, but we have a strategy that will help you improve your admissions chances by giving the readers what they're looking for and save you time. That's all for today, but let us know in the comments below what college essay topic, myth, or question we should address next. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more college essay tips and advice. Thanks for watching!